In this video, I will be explaining how to erase the background in few easy steps for free using a Photoshop-like free tool. We need to use the Photopea app to erase any background. This is like the Photoshop app, and if you do not have the Photoshop app or don't have the paid version, you can use Photopea. It's free of cost. So here I'm going to select this picture to erase the background, to keep the tracks and the man visible, and erase the complete background. So how I can do that? First step, remove BG option. I will visit the Photopea website and first upload the picture. So here you can see the picture. Now I want to erase this background. So one option is if I just want to keep the man visible and erase the entire background, then I can use the remove background option. Click select and then remove BG. This takes some time. So this just keeps the man and erases the entire background. Here you can notice that even the green option visible over here in between was raised and the entire man is visible. Step 2. Subject tool. A second option is subject. For this, we can go to select and choose subject. Click on the subject you want to retain. We then see it highlights the man when we click on the man. We can then move the image of the man and copy-paste it on a new layer. This is another option if we want to select only one subject and erase the complete background. But I don't want this and want the tracks to be visible as well. Step 3. Magic Cut tool. The next option is go to select and click on Magic Cut. Here you can see it helps to cut. The green option here can be used to retain the portion of the picture. The grey option indicates if you want to erase the green and red markings on the picture, and the red option is for erasing that portion of the picture. So I select the green and select the image I want to keep. So I will select the man and the tracks. I want it to be visible till here. So now I will erase this green which is marked green automatically with the magic cut. So now I can select red and erase it. I can just color the entire thing red to erase this background. This option is when the red and green intersect. So I will just erase this green portion with the grey option. Now you can see this portion is still visible, so I need to erase it. With the red option, now it's erased. And slowly as much as I can I will erase with the red option. I need to erase the red traffic signal. So now you can see much of the screen, much of the background is erased. Now I need to make it perfect. So I can choose the magic eraser. It erases quite much selecting, but here sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. So here you can see it erases whatever portion I mark as it detects it as a single patch. For this, I can also use the background eraser. Here it erases the background easily better than a normal eraser would do, detecting only the background portion of the image automatically. I can make the size big by selecting here and increasing the size of the eraser. Now I can zoom in to see what portions are remaining. Here you can see many portions are still remaining. So the magic eraser helps. Here you can see there are certain portions already erased, so I can use the eraser tool to get rid of these patches and make it smaller to erase this portion. And smoothen out the hands. You can use the hand tool to bring the image up. Here you can see much is still left. So we can use a background eraser here and mark these portions. It just checks that the background is erased, which we are marking. And the remaining can be done with the eraser tool. I can use the hand option to bring it up. Here we can see still certain patches are left. You can use a background eraser. Again, we can check by using the hand tool to see if the background is completely erased. Using the background eraser and eraser tool for these small patches is the best option. This needs some time and effort to get a perfect picture. Here you can see most of the background is erased and our image looks ready to us.